talking about my favorite sub $600 phone. Actually a $499 phone. So this phone you can get just under $500. It's a great phone. I've been using it for quite a while, and it's one of my favorite phones I've ever used. And what it is, it's going to be the LG G6. This phone is LG's phone of last year that came out, kind of is their high-end phone. But the specs that you get for this phone compared to other phones that you got out there are pretty good. As we know lately, the trend, good phones are getting cheap. So we'll kind of talk about like the specs of this phone a little bit for all my techies out there. So this phone was released of February of last year, 2017. Now what are the specs of this phone? It's running Android 7.0. You have a fingerprint sensor on the back. It's both water, shock resistant, as well as dust. Now that's great. So this phone is built very toughly. If you drop it, you shouldn't have any problems. I've dropped this phone several times without a case, and it's left me not even a crack or anywhere close. Maybe some scuffles here and there, but overall, this phone is built to last. I'm very pleased with the build quality of this device. And it's also IP68 rated, so you'll have no problem swimming with this phone. I take pictures underwater with this phone. In the shower, it's fine. If you spill water on it at the bar, you're not going to have anything to worry about there. Just get a towel, dry it off, and you are all good to go. Display is 5.7 inches, and the back has two cameras. This is what I really love about this phone. One wide angle camera, and then another non-wide angle camera. So it's 13 megapixels, has dual LED for the flash, so it works good when you're in different lightings. And then the wide angle camera has a 125-degree lens to it. So if you're taking group selfies or want to get dramatic landscapes, you'll definitely be able to capture it on this device. I love how this phone takes photos. Very pleased with the camera on this phone. And this phone also can shoot at 4K resolution too. So you'll definitely be able to take some stunning quality videos. Now if we look at the processor of this phone, what this phone is running here is Qualcomm Snapdragon 821, which is a quad-core 2.35 gigahertz processor. 4 gigs of RAM and 32 gigabytes of internal storage, which is really good. Now, the battery is 3,300 milliamp hours, so you'll definitely be good all day, sometimes even a day and a half, depending on how heavy of a user you are with your phone. But this phone really does have a great battery. Again, the best phone I know to compare this to would be the Galaxy S7, and that phone has a 3,000 milliamp hour battery. So this device is really a great phone, really happy with it. It's been my daily driver for a while now. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate that. And also subscribe for more videos coming like this, are coming every week to you guys. So definitely hit that subscribe button below. Appreciate all you watching. And I hope you guys have a great day. And we'll certainly see you on the next video. This is FreeTechTV signing off. Thanks for watching.